Behl, my project Tachyon, and I will participate in Technoxian WRC OS challenge in junior category. Without much ado, I would like to share with you how I have built my project to win this challenge. Tachyon can run with a speed of 2.7 meter per second. Because of its high pneumatic wheels, it does not require any external suspension system. A lithium ferrous phosphate 12V 12Ah battery is used in Tachyon, which allows it to work 5 hours without break. Last but not least, FSI6 controlling system is used in Tachyon, which is known for its shatter-proof radio connections. I firmly believe that this project will excel and my journey in building this will inspire others. Thank you.